Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Audio channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to streaming on Twitch for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Twitch application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitch application. And after that, if you want to streaming on the Twitch, you can click this symbol, or I think it's a symbol of the recording. Okay, click on, and you can see there is a have a stream games here, and you can play and stream for your mobile device. Click on. Okay, you can click enable microphones first, allow while using the apps, and the second one, enable the overlays. Open the settings, click on, and search about the Twitch, and allow display over other apps. Okay, go back here, and now what do you want to stream? I wanna stream maybe the Call of Duty here, and click next. And after that, you can see about the stream shift, set your volume level in Twitch, keep the microphone clear, notification can be captured here, protect your privacy, everything. You can see the screen will be streaming. And after that, stay unlocked while live. Okay, stay unlocked while live, and after that you can click next. Okay, title of the stream, you can type about the title of the stream, and then add text. After that, you can click down in the upper of the right corner. Stream language is English. Okay, go to live notification is Liana Nuriel when live. Okay, and after that is about your control about the microphone and the etc. And next is save your broadcast. You can select away until the purple color if you want to automatically save to broadcast. And after that, you can open streams control. Click on, tap me, and now you go to the switch streaming. And how to start it? You can start now. Okay, you live, long press on your avatar to go straight to streaming. Okay, go to the my avatar, and now I go to live here. Okay, it's very simple way to you to streaming on Twitch for Android. This is a tutorial how to streaming on Twitch for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention, and bye.